Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nats, and I hope everyone is happy, healthy, and doing okay. So once you see all of that intro, it's gonna be a vlog. And actually I'm getting into the vlogging mood. So this weekend, it's currently Friday, and I want to film a weekend in my life kind of video. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, like what we are doing at home and all of the stuff that we typically do on a weekend. I wanted to take you guys along with me. Today is Friday, and we actually did not go to work today because it's a public holiday in Japan, and we don't work on public holidays. So we just have been knocking out our various tasks. For today, I actually had a productive day. It's currently like 5:02, so I am starting this weekend in my life a little late, but I really did not want to like have too many footage for you guys and have this vlog extra long. So I edited a video. Adam is going to help me edit one video too, because next week I'm trying to like put myself on the spot a little bit. I want to put out a video every day next week, so that's 6 videos. So I'm busy like editing and so on. I filmed a clothing haul today, and I edited a video this morning. We went grocery shopping. Actually, that is what I want to show you for today. So we just came back in from grocery shopping, so I want to do a little haul for you guys, show you what we got. And then later on this afternoon, we have our Vespa service with our friends, our Adventist friends. If you guys don't know, Adam and I are Adventist, Seventh-day Adventists, and usually our Sabbath starts at sunset Friday night to sunset Saturday, so 24 hours. If you don't know, but if you know, you know. So yeah, we have that, and then Vespa service later in the afternoon. So I'm just going to quickly take you guys along and show you what we got at the grocery store. Ooh, lighting, too bright though, isn't it? All right guys, so like my kit, I have everything laid out on the counters inside here, and it's a lot, and it's only groceries for the week. So let me just flip the camera around so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, yep, this is what we have here, and it doesn't stop here. If you take a look, we have more stuff, and it's only for a week, but some of the things we won't be restocking in the next week. So there goes that. All right, so the first thing, I don't even know where to start. So for a little grocery haul for the week, the first things we have here are these like slime agent for drain. If you put them in the drainage, like it prevents smelly food and it prevents like slime buildup. So I got a few of those. I actually saw this one, and it says is it focusing? Hello. Yeah, it says 4 bath here, so I'm figuring I could just put it on the drain so the shower room smells a little better, because I have realized that, man, like the drainage system, like it can get really smelly. All right, we have some penne pasta here. I hope that penne is the right way to pronounce it. 2 of them to do a particular meal this week. We have some coffee pods here. Actually, I am going to be buying a coffee maker this week, one of the high-end coffee makers this week, and it's the Dulce Gusto. I'm going to order it later, so I guess since this is a weekend in my life vlog, then you guys will get to see it when it arrives. I bought some coffee to test out. In that, I also bought fresh cream, and I should leave this over here to like explain something to you guys when I reach. We bought some mayonnaise, 500 grams, very big, and these are our snacks for the week. So Adam has Pringles. This, I don't know what this is, strawberry thingy. I don't think my camera is focusing. Yeah, and we have some biscuits here, and some like regular cheese sticks. Like this is the closest we can get to actual cheese sticks that taste like Jamaican-ish. So yes, that's our snacks for the week. Over here we have some frozen meals. So in Japan they have a lot of frozen meals, guys, and One of our meals this week is actually frozen meal. So we got some Doria. I love this thing. It's just rice and like cheese and meat sauce. And we got meat sauce pasta. So you need to throw these in the freezer before they thaw. And over here we have some fruits for the week. So we have some melon, we have a mango, and we have some grapes. Here I also bought banana, but it's not on this counter. Guys, this mango, look at how small it is. Look at how small this mango is, and it's like for almost 500 yen. It's like a few yen short of 500 yen, but it tastes like Jamaica, so I buy it anyway. All right, we have like a big pack of cheese. This is like natural cheese, meltable, so like for pizzas and other dishes that I create during the week. We have some tomatoes in this bag. We have some cucumbers here. We have a bag of fries. Now this is a very big bag of fries, guys. Like, I've never seen fries this much in Japan, so I grabbed it. We have some fruit juice. Well, they say 100% fruit juice, but we all know how that goes. Anyway, we bought some. And then we have fresh cream over here, guys. And I think you will probably find it interesting that Japan, like, this is the size that you will get for like heavy cream or whipping cream or so on in Japan. It doesn't get bigger than this size here. It does not. So if you want heavy cream or whipping cream, this is what you need to look for in Japan. And of course, research says that the higher the percentage, the more fat, so the better it is, or the easier it is to whip up. And moving along, we have some sweet peppers here. We got some cherry tomatoes because I'm doing a salad this week, and I want I do not want these big tomatoes, I want these small ones, so I picked up that. All right, over here to this table, we're going into the produce. We have some onions here, some avocados. And guys, like, if you are living in Japan, you know the struggle when it comes on to finding pear that is eatable in Japan. Like, oh my god, like all the time I take up these like little pears for like 100 yen, and when I cut into them, they're black. I can't eat them. They're like, so we found these ones, and these ones are actually the premium ones. These are for like 300 yen, guys. And since we tried the premium ones, those are the only ones that we can get where we cut into them, you feel like you're eating a pear from Jamaica. For those who don't know, in Jamaica we call avocado pear. And I know that there's a fruit by the name of pear, but in Jamaica, that's what we say. Alright, here we have some lettuce. Here we have some spinach. Like, if anybody is living in Japan and they wonder what spinach looks like, this is what it looks like. Look for this. We have some regular schmegular lettuce. Here's my banana. Alright, so we have banana here. Here we have like 6 eggs because we already have like a few eggs in the fridge, so we bought 6. We have potatoes, like 2 packs of potatoes. Here is just like our table decoration. I have like my iron tablets here. Salt and pepper as usual. Here we have a pack of sugar. So this is how sugar is sold in Japan, and as you can see, this is brown sugar and it does not even look brown, but anyway, whatever. Moving right along, we have some laundry powder here. So this is what we call fab in Jamaica, washing soap. It's a like big square. It holds a lot, and I found this in the dollar store just now, Oxy Wash. And I know that in Western countries we have something by the name of OxyClean that is good for like white clothes and so on. So I decided to try this. It was only 100 yen, so I mean, whatever. And we have some bath soaps here. Here we have some coffee mugs because, as I mentioned, I am buying a new coffee machine over this weekend. So I bought some cups, some glass mugs, so I can, you know, watch the goodness from the dollar store. Is this focused? My god. So yeah, these were from Daiso. This one is for 200 yen, as you can see, and it's pretty thin compared to this one, which was 100 yen, and it is so much thicker. Let me see if I can get into it. Look guys, so this one is so much thicker, and it's for 100 yen compared to this one, which, can I even take this out? This one is taped up, guys, and I can't take it out, but it is so much thinner than this one, and it's more expensive. And of course we have some washing sponges, some dishwashing sponges. We normally buy 15 because every day we change our sponge. We do not use one sponge over a day, so we normally buy 15, and it's just 100 yen in the dollar store, so it's affordable. And bleach, how can I forget the bleach? No, I have like 2 different kind of bleach. Like in the dollar store I saw this, it said clothing bleach, and usually I put a little bleach on my white clothes, especially if the armpits are kind of getting colorful. And yeah, so when I saw this, I said, you know what, let me try out this clothing bleach. And then of course I have bleach for like household purposes, and then plates purposes. Japan, you do not get a bigger size bleach than this in Japan mostly, so I find that I have to like buy 3 of them in order for the house to have enough bleach to go around for everyone. All right, this is some dollar store dishwashing liquid. It is by no means the best, but it works for 100 yen, whatever. And these here are some aroma diffuser I want to put in my office, and these are some aroma oils that I want to put in my diffuser in my office. 100 yen for all of these in Daiso. And here I picked up also a glass cleaner in Daiso as well, to clean our mirrors and so on. I also picked up some more microfiber cloth so that we can clean like surfaces and stuff in our household. And I also picked up some kitchen microfiber cloth also from Daiso, 100 yen, so that we can have more cloths to dry our plates, because actually we no longer leave the dishes out there like that you're seeing in the green drainer there. We like to wash plates, dry them, and put them away in there immediately. And last but not least, I think we have some garbage bags, and the 45-liter garbage bag, we got 1 pack of that. And then of course some kitchen towels, and that is all that we got at the grocery store. And as I said, it is for the week, but you have to understand that like some things like the fab, like the dish, not the dish, oh my god, like the washing powder, and like the napkin, and like the garbage bag, and like other little stuff we won't be buying next week. Guys, we just completed our Vespa service online, and so right now I'm just going to grab a shower and get into bed. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is Saturday afternoon actually, and to be honest, today was even worse than yesterday. Like I have to try to like how do I say, like not be so hard on myself when I don't complete everything on my to-do list, because I have to remember that I do have a full-time 9-to-5 job, and I am tired, and I still have a lot of other things to do, you know, excepting separate and apart from like YouTube stuff and so on. So when my life gets in the way and I can't like edit the 2 videos that I have to edit and so on, I have to like remind myself that it's okay to not like have everything done that you said you were going to do done. To be honest, this long weekend I had so many plans, and to be honest, my to-do list, it's as I'm getting things done, but it's as if things are not getting done on my to-do list. And honestly, today I could actually cry, because I woke up at around 11 a.m. and it's now 2 o'clock and I've only gone through one vlog. I haven't had breakfast, I haven't had lunch, and I've just been editing one vlog. And some of the times we really do underestimate the time it takes to edit like one video, and these are vlogs. I have way more footage than usual, so I'm trying not to be hard on myself not being able to complete the list, but I do plan on getting as much done as I possibly can today. I just hopped out of the shower, guys. I'm not even feeling today. I did not get ready today. Like, this is just, I just hopped out of the shower, put some clothes on. I didn't even do my hair or anything like that. So yeah, I'm just going to get something like very small to eat, like a snack, and try to knock out some more tasks. Alright, so let's go. The lighting is so good. Like, this camera, oh my god, guys, the link to my camera if you're a YouTuber is down in the description box below. It is a very good camera. But anyway, let's just get a snack to eat. I have a whole bunch of ramen and stuff here. All of those are Adam's snacks, because I mostly only eat ramen. But I'm going to take these biscuits and these cookies and get myself a cup of juice. Alright guys, so I'm actually a little proud of myself. I still feel a bit disappointed in what I've gotten done over the past 3 days. I've not been at work, but I have a video, a vlog actually exporting right now, so that will give me a little bit of a wiggle room to get other things done that is on my to-do list while it exports, because my computer is a slow bug, so I can't do anything else while I'm exporting a video. So what I'm going to do now is flat iron my wigs for the week. So my wigs have been looking a little, they need some tender loving and care, so I'm going to flat iron those right now while the video exports. And then after that, I think I am going to finish up put the final touches on the vlog that I was editing yesterday and export that. And then while that is exporting, I am going to like cook dinner, and then I should be able to, you know, feel good in myself. I still need to create something for IG, but I'll do that later in the night. So let's go flat iron some wigs. Okay. Yeah, so I'm talking to Adam, and all of a sudden Adam get up and sit down like this. Adam? What are you doing?
I'm sitting front ways.
You're what?
I'm sitting front ways on the chair. What does it look like I'm doing?
He's sitting front way. This is what? This is the crazy I have to deal with, people.
Kneeling, actually. Kneeling front way on the chair. Sitting front way. Turning.
What could have caused this though? What could have caused if you had this?
Turning. Spinning.
Oh my god. Alright guys, so dinner is done. This is what we have here. That is Adam's plate. Why do I feel like this is zoomed? Yeah, that's Adam's plate and my plate. I did overcook the pasta though, because I am still working on stuff tonight. But this is what we are having for dinner. Guys, I feel like you all have not seen me since I started this Sunday vlog because Sunday is usually a cleaning day for us. We spend hours cleaning and cooking, ensuring that the house is sanitized. So we wipe down like the switches and the doorknobs and so on with sanitizer, just so everything can be fresh, like cleans, change the sheet, like all kinds of stuff. So Sunday is mostly like a hands-on. Wait, what's happening here? Sunday is mostly a hands-on kind of day, so that is what you will be seeing in this clip. But I did order the coffee machine as I told you, and we did buy some bulk grocery items, and the box is outside my door, so let's go for it. Adam, please get the heavy box outside. Guys, so this is the coffee machine that I bought. It's the Dulce Gusto or Dolce Gusto, however you pronounce this word here, and it works with coffee pods. It also has like Bluetooth and all of that stuff. I am sure I'll figure it out as I use it. Guys, it's honestly a gem. Look at it. Ooh, so this is where the water goes. Look at this niceness. Ooh. And it's small and petite. So guys, dinner is served. So this is what we have. Some steamed fish. It really looks like curry fish, but we did not add curry to this pot. So that's my plate, and then that's Adam's plate. Has a lot of cucumbers because he wants more cucumbers. But yeah, this is what we're having for Sunday dinner. Steamed fish, white coconut rice, and some veggies and some avocado.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
Whoa, like I look like a crazy person, but guys, this is where we settled on for the afternoon. So it's currently, what time is that? Like 5:30? Is it 5:30? Yeah, it's about 5:30 right now. I can't read the clock so well. It's about 5:30, so this is where we usually spend time together. So we like cuddle up on the couch and watch a movie, watch a show, or we talk about the future. We do something, just some downtime. So that is what we are about to do now. We have showered, I have changed. Don't know if you can see, Adam is already in the settee. And that's another thing, guys. In Jamaica we call couch settee. Alright. Like you'll hear many Jamaicans say settee. So right now we're just going to have a nice afternoon. So guys, if you did enjoy this vlog, of course give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video.
To see the truth around you, from a distance you can tell. To be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be.
Bye bye.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.